people. Now, good morning, Edo State. My name, as you know, now Albert Obaze, the crack team boss, the boss of the crack team. The period of the day for Edo, for Nigeria, for the world now, and the period of awareness, period of communication, period when neighbor take the play, period when we settle with our enemies, period when everybody they come together to fight a common enemy called coronavirus, COVID-19. And the period over there be this period when you see something for internet, you when I use na binio na pigeon, but me not the share English because this will not be the time for people English. So will not be the time for you to force yourself to speak English. So on the time to speak the language where your people will understand, speak the language where your people will feel hear. Because we are not doing competition now. What we are doing now is for everybody to know how this virus, we don't pieces everywhere, when they scatter the world. I tell the interperson body. How this virus take the scatter everywhere. I take the scatter homes. I take the spoil things. This virus don't finish the world. IMF don't talk yesterday now say the world already enter recession. Now know what to be recession. Recession and when we say waiting the world they end, waiting the country they end, not they reach them, till they even they pay salaries. And during recession, World Bank self they deny many nations, many countries loans because almost everybody want money. You'll be like a house where everybody broke. They can't go meet Papa. Papa can't say, me one they can't meet. Money all day. So everybody will get to manage that recession. And our minister, our minister for finance, release statements, they say, if we not be careful, in the next 6 months, Nigeria will enter recession. That's why they say we still get small thing. We never finish. What it carry me come today? Now, the way people want to try to play politics with the lives of our people, with the way we want to play politics, with the health of our people. Health is wealth. Health is life. Health is politics. Health is living. If you don't have health, you cannot play politics. If you don't have health, you cannot even open social media. Now because you dey healthy, now why you dey watch me now? If you're not dey healthy, you go dey hear my voice and also be there. I say now, but that boy doesn't start again. Please, I don't want to listen to him because that time your problem now your health, not be to you know why you hear what about the talk. If you know where they say, oh, no, I don't want to listen to that kind of man. Well, if you are healthy, you feel listen to that. Oh, the governor, no, I don't want to listen. At the time when we need to talk to ourselves, now we do so. So this will not be the time to play politics. Nobody play politics, reach me. Nobody like politics, reach me. Nobody they active online, reach me. But these days, I dey mind waiting at the post. I dey mind waiting at the post. If I see some political post, I dey dodge am. Because in this life, there is time for everything. Before now, if I want to do live video, make I play the music where I play for now. For now, when they follow me well. Anytime, before this coronavirus while I come, when I listen to the music where I play. But this one.
Famous Father General in support of Obaseki 2020 re-election 4+4 Dama Baba why say no naria Basekire no do we matole do you why say ke no me to Dama Baba why say no naria Basekire why say
That one are the music when they play, when we they play politics. Anytime I want to enter live video, see that I play this Father General support song for the governor, or I go play Stainless, Novia Madin. But for the past 2 weeks, if you don't observe, I never play all these songs. Because what we need now, until we record 0 case in Edo, you don't hear policy from my mouth. So make we discourage politics, people who want to play politics. Now, when I hear the song that they play for Edo people, Nigerians and the world now, listen to the song. And the song where everybody's supposed to play with this. To their people, to their loved ones. I called on people outside the country to remember their people back home. If it's tough, there's going to be worse here. Because I told people that Nigeria is never prepared. Nigeria is never ready for anything. Even as we are battling Corona now, there are still people that are siphoning money allocated to fight this deadly virus. Doctors are running. In overseas, doctors are ready to die saving humanity. But here, you see, many doctors don't go put themselves in hospital and say they don't wear, just because they don't want to attend to these people. Some are running. Some days ago, the American president said those medical practitioners that applied for visa before that denied, they should all return back to the embassy. They should go and pick their visa. I know that 80% of Nigerian doctors are already applying for that visa. They want to run. So this is the time that we need to come together as a people to fight this ugly disease. This is not the time to play politics. Engineer Chris Ogiwoyi, I know that my governor hold you in high esteem. Recently, Crusoe flogged you. Crusoe Saige flogged you where for media. He carry cane, koboko you where. He lash you. Governor said no. That's not the way to go. Engineer Chris Ogiwoyi, let me show the world what you are doing. This is wrong. This is not the time to play politics. This is not the time to say this is APC, this is not APC, this is not PD, this is PDP. This is not the time to play politics. Nobody should share anything on that APC platform. Nobody should share anything on that PDP platform. As we speak today, we are all one in the fight against this deadly disease, this deadly virus. People are focusing. We are telling people need food, they need water, they need drugs. You know, they listen to us. And they're going to buy sanitizer because that's what you people can afford. You are not going to use sanitizer to deceive people. People are not producing fake sanitizers everywhere. This is my sanitizer, Sian. Original. This is my sanitizer. Original. Can you share this one? Can you share this one? Order this one now. Order this one from UK. This is original. Can you share this one? This is alcohol based. They are not missing this thing. They will lock down, begin a film. They put their sticker. Can you buy this one? Just this. Can you buy this sanitizer to share? This is original sanitizer. This is the one that will kill the virus if it's in your hand. This is the one that kills bacteria. Original. See, it's not watery. It's not watery. It's not watery. Original. 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 Can you buy this one for people? Go and order this one. Your media people, this what was this guy's name? Harry Potter said you bought 20,000 pieces of hand sanitizer. Sir, please, you can afford it. Go and buy 20,000 bags of rice. You guys are billionaires. Don't hide. Don't deceive us with sanitizer. Me, I have sanitizer. Anybody come in and say, I get sanitizer for you. I know if you go collect. What I need now is fuel. Give me fuel. No light in my house. Give me fuel. Give me fuel. Me, I have a sanitizer. I have rice. I have beans. I have tomatoes at home. What I need are no lights. Give me fuel. Call me say, Abba, come take 100 liters of fuel. Yes, that's my problem now. And now going to make me stay house. My labor problem will not be fuel. It don't be rice. Give on rice. My problem now is fuel, no light. Give me fuel. Hey, I will stay house. You come and say, Abba, they say for them. I said, no, baby, let's see you. Because you don't really give me waiting to make me stay house. Give me fuel, don't deceive us. Some days ago, Dinos gave relief materials to people. No sticker, no PDP sticker. He picture no even day, name no day. He said, go and share it. No religion, share it to Muslim, Christian, atheist, Babalawo, PDP, APC, Abga. He said, share it for everybody. It's only time to play politics. After these 4 years now, okay, what you now done they do everywhere now. After these 4 years, see, by June, once okay, when you lose primary, I don't hear from okay, again. See, 4 years time. You people will not hear from Ogemoyi again. Ogemoyi, we don't want to run for governor until Shomole visited him. He got greater for us. When Shomole was now looking for people to fight Gio, to fight governor, he went to visit Ogemoyi. Now, after he come on, Ogemoyi come and say, hey, he want to governor. They are never ready. So this not it. People should not drag me to play politics. So, cause any side on I go, me I go activate. I will all leave this coronavirus matter. Cause I have tried. Me, I have tried. Maybe we start to do politics. Maybe we know whether your media team, whether you get media team, maybe we know. Engineer Chris Ogemoyi, please go and buy relief materials. Go and buy vitamin C. Hey, give me that vitamin C there. Gosh, you know to where you go look for our guy. Hey, 100 card, 90 buy. See. I went to buy this vitamin C yesterday. It's not very expensive. This is 1,000 milligrams. I know if you buy the full cup 10,000. I count this one 50. My friend never throw it for inside now. 50, 5K. 50. If you show me vitamin C and you show me sanitizer, I go prefer vitamin C. We are expected to stay at home. What we need is a rolling tap. And soap. Sanitizer not be cure. It not be cure. You know they keep this thing. Now last resort. Say no soap, no water to wash hand. Okay, minus sanitizer. If you use sanitizer 2 times, your hand will get sticky. Your hand will get sticky. The best is soap and water. Somebody comments, they say, but they don't do sanitizer. I say, you go share as journal. If you don't be share as, you go share on your onions. Go to our market. Go buy a bag of onions. Go buy a bag of, share this broadcast to, when I share this broadcast. I'm now here today. Go to our market. Onions are bulky when they come from north. Buy a bag of onions. Wrap up for Zaslofin. Madame, mes sanitizer, onions here. Even onions, or teme, or your onions buy. Maybe another person they come with share rice. Another person they come with share oil. Another person they come with share Maggi. Give them something. Accompany the sanitizer, the face mask with something for them to use. America now is only sharing money, or they're about to start sharing money. 3,400 to a family of 4 to stay at home. That's what they are going to be paying monthly. Family of 4, $3,400 for you to stay indoors. Anything they eat, you call, bring. They'll deliver them for your this thing. Yeah, for where? So please, let me show you what what you did. You better come out and deny these people. Our reporter is working for you. Come out and say you're not sending. Maybe he's overzealous. I know our reporter is working for you. Let me show you. There's time for everything. Anyway, yeah. I just woke up to see after my video yesterday. See, look at what they are sharing. Look at what they are sharing. See this one where they want to share, give poor people. See my own. See my own. I have more than 12 of this. More than 12. See my own. See, look at my own here. See my own. Look at the one they are sharing. Who collect this one? And this one will reach 48 hours. This one that they are sharing with his picture. May I even see what they write on the picture? May I read down? It said Daisy Heart Initiative. Maybe they are trying to hide under the platform. Look at Engineer Chris Ogiroyi. Edo movement, not for sale. What is APC picture doing here? What is APC picture doing here? Are you the state APC? Are you Asemo Jeswa? Are you Barrister Asemo Jeswa? Are you the reinstated national chairman of APC, Adamso Shomole? What is APC doing here? Nobody is playing politics as we speak. The governor is not playing politics. Deputy governor is not playing politics. SIG is not playing politics. Even Isaiah Musef is not playing politics. What is APC picture doing here? This is supposed to be for everybody. You expect PDP woman now for market when we support our PDP to collect this thing from you with the sticker. Oh well, APC would. So please, I don't know if you are the one that sent these boys to go and do this nonsense. You have to come out and deny them. You have to release a publication that you did not send anybody to do this. The reason why we are even soft with you is because of the respect our Oga, His Excellency, has for you. But you need to calm down. Because since Crusoe did that stuff, and the governor said no, it's not right, your people, they have been attacking the governor, and you have refused to call them to order. Bona. If they respect you, still respect them back. With the respect what governor get for you, I don't know where I don't fair meet. I don't know how close now they. You are supposed to also call your media team and say, please, I want to stop to this attack of the governor. When it's time for politics, we play politics and we go for primaries. So please, I am begging politicians, pastors, public office holders, big men, rich men, billionaires, please. Our people need food. They need water. They need vitamin. They need other relief materials to stay at home. Go to BEDC in your community. Give BEDC money. Say, madam, throughout this period, make una give my community lights 9 hours or 12 hours. That will make them stay. They watch TV. Hire diner. Put DJ. They should be going from community to community, sensitizing the people. The best way to still avoid this virus is constant washing of your hand. 2, wash your hands steady, at least every 20 minutes after any contact. Once you touch money, you wash your hand. Once you shake person or you hug person, you wash your hand. The virus, as we speak, they never confirm whether it's sexually transmitted or not. The 3 places where the virus is passed enter body now: your eyes, your nose, and your mouth. So if you dey wash your hands steady, like make the virus dey your hand and you not put your hand, because according to research, we dey touch our eyes 120 times in 1 hour. That's why you see this virus is spreading. Like some people now, they used to eating their fingernails unconsciously. So people if you get bite here, before you realize, hey, we still do it unconsciously. So that's why Oibo now, they don't hear word. If you do like they don't know what to say, they don't touch rain, they don't touch something, the virus in their hand, they don't touch their body. So let's educate our people. Constant washing of your hands. Then, if there is no water soap available, that is when you bring out your hand sanitizer. Put in your hand. Clean here. You clean every part. Then make sure your eyes don't go close to your face. So if you feel you want to share something, face mask is supposed, once you use face mask one day, you dispose them. People are your sister. Yes, some days ago I go market. The face of one woman put for this. If she don't use it for like 1 week now, the face of all dirty. It's not dirty. So that kind of woman, I just say, hey, yeah, well, if face of one where for my car was very far from the woman. I forgot I can give her 3. Say you only walk back when where the air already. Well, on a private, if I wanted to have the Bella, but 500,000, if I wanted to have about some days ago. No, but I just want to look one day, the next will drop a. They were to do mommy where dove, were to more way hot water, to another your Detour or Azar or Apple, or the James Noro, Uri of your cap, the Kelly. Well, me a mega ya one ya, me we tell me what. So if you go share as I said, and you go carry one pack, they give you one. They use a recharge. They are not supposed to use it the next day. But if you teach them how to wash their hands regularly, then this spacing, maintain distance at minimum 3 feet, because some say the virus is airborne, some say it's not airborne. Some say not be airborne, say airborne supposed to fly. Now, the virus is not by direct contact. One person sneeze, who get time? He sneeze. Or he come. the virus, not they travel past, let's say 3-4 meters. But now air you for picking. So that's why you need to maintain that distance from the next person. Because you don't know whether the person whether the person not where. If you start and say, you say, what? The thing they fly, they enter the air. Then once you breathe out, you don't carry, and you don't know. So here though, politicians, one now, imagine equal as all. I know how many body can say Abba don't start. Jessica went to buy bag of rice. Jessica Amave buy soap, buy this thing, share and give people. She don't put a sticker. Jessica went they sell clothes. And Martina, now native material she say. She bought bag of rice. They share and give people when she knows that they're not to get. She not put a sticker. She for fit go ring go print sticker, snap and put them on social media. Everybody go the hail and well done, good job. Please, if you must share anything, I'm not saying don't share sanitizer. Don't get me wrong. I'm not saying don't share sanitizer, but if you must share, don't politicize it. Don't put sticker. If you want to put sticker, if you put name, if you are desperate to say your name, fine. But not put your party this thing. Because if anybody give me sanitizer now for road and they carry umbrella, I know the best not serious. I'll throw the sanitizer. I know the best because this is not the time to play politics. It's time for everything. So please, many of you can afford these relief materials. They are in Lagos State, so don't buy 200,000 bags. So Lagos State, so one share rice. So we have people, we have billionaires in this state that can buy 1 million bag of rice. They don't go shake. But they prefer to use the money, send girls go Dubai, send girls go Mauritius. Say I'm dating an adult billionaire. The man is taking care of me. How much is a bag of rice? You can still get other wholesale from the north or from Lagos, from Kebbi. You can still order wholesale for 17,000 naira, local rice, 18,000, 19,000, 16,000, 14,000. So it depends on the grade. If you buy 100 bags and you want to do a 4 rubber per bag, one bag of it serve 4 persons. You don't already get 400. You don't already get 400 people. You will serve 400. If we get 15 or 20 adult billionaires, they buy 1,000 bags of rice. How many be that? That's 20,000. Share 20,000 times 4 persons per bag. I brought people going to chop for house. Go to village, all those who guy, what do I see moto? What guy? Share. If you go with me, what maybe do? Ya feel it. Oh, damn it. Error. This one say I speak English. I say you come here. Go look for your, if you be Yoruba, go look for when they talk about Yoruba people. Now I do what they talk to. I not be popular blogger. I not want popular. Now I do people now they talk to. Yeah? You hear they go, I might go over here going. Ovie go maku we go evie do gugu. Just for people no hear. That concern me. No, let me some. Let's get Eve, amaze wo ma gwi. Arewa. This is do omana ho omogbe ni say pidgin. Or to get a because I did repeat myself. I did reiterate, I did repeat myself so I'm gonna get the message where. So please, those politicians, the money you go spend, they go to pay printer to print your name, to print that sticker, go a lot. This time to spend money. I am really looking for that politician that will win my heart. When I go see for inside our part, they share rice, they share vegetable oil, they share salt, they share Maggi, they share Omo, they share apple, they share Dettol soap when they clean house. They share surface sanitizer. I want to see that position. Where is Kenneth Imaswagbon? He must have got 4 lakhs. Because this is the time to share us. No wait for primaries or election period. Imaswagbon, 4 lakhs. Where you Imaswagbon? Who get number? Send me Kenneth Imaswagbon number. May I call him? If you have Kenneth Imaswagbon's number, drop it here. Let me call him. Kenneth, yo, those guys there. Kenneth, come and share us. Kenneth Imaswagbon, come and share us. What do I go to this is shut that yam. Go market. Mama, take one sanitizer, take 1 yam. Take one sanitizer, take down the appeal. I'm winning me, I'm walking me, I'm not well me, or where's it, or so I'll fear it. And what he read for some people, he read. So my people, I beg. By truth, they offend many people, but they offend very few people. That's why I'm not saying. Because 98% of the people they feel me. They don't say how they try. So just like less than 2%, they don't like me. So I don't really care how they feel. But I know they insult them. I just try to say this is one that they do something that is not right. You want in an old man for this old Benin man when he's supposed to know what to do. But some desperate people around them feel can't they fuck up. So please, if you must share it with something. Share it with something. Our problem in this land, many big men don't shut down. No? Many big men don't enter house. They never come outside for like 2. Many don't even pay 6 months DSTV. Some don't even go buy GP tank. They don't load diesel in case fuel not finish does not work. They CNN steady. Poor people don't often stay in house. They must go find money to feed their children. They must go find money. That's why all this relief material not be for rich people. Not cause share for Ogbo. Ogbo, some people still day when they still get knee down. Not share, carry and go all those who be a hole. All those upper, all those down, all those area where you see say people they struggle, share. If you buy rice today, you put your picture, I will post them. I will post and I will hear you. But if you put your picture on sanitizer for face mask, I will roll you away. It will roll you. I will follow you. Many since I do my video yesterday, their sanitizer don't die for the inside the house, so they even the shame how they want to print them. So I'm already ordering rice. Let us help people. Some people this bill they get 100 million for their account. Some get 50, some get 20, some get 200. Some billionaires get over 1 billion. What are they doing? What are they doing? Isha people, what are you doing? Isha get many rich people for Lagos. They get for Abuja. Muna send message come house. No, but no big man will not get village. How much money they need for not reach my village? I'll go share things for them for a I'll go mama village. Have you go? Yeah, guy in here. Yeah, well, over Victoria Reo. Over so what do I in ma? Over Godfrey Reo. What do I in ma? What do I in ma? Over Satin. What do I in ma? What was so yeah? So billionaire. Is Corona. What do I say? On aura ignan, on aura figbon, on aura vegetable, on aura roro, on aura vegetable yeah. Now what you want here when this corona don't finish? Now what you do for people don't remember? You don't be sanitizer. Most of those women, they're too dead. Most of those poor people, they're not going to fit use sanitizer. Just teach them how to wash their hands. Buy them buckets. Buy them buckets. Let's make this world a better place. Let's heal the world. Someone saying government. If we wait for government, we don't go anywhere. And I tell you, not everybody when they say government, I mean wait for the people. Even if President Buhari mean where, can President Buhari be everywhere? Even if Governor Obaseki mean where, can Governor Obaseki be everywhere? Not people will send. Many now they remove government material, they remove the sticker, and they go resell them. They go resell them. You know they trickle down. You know they reach the ordinary man for the streets. If Governor Obaseki said, "Can I share 20,000 bags of rice now?" You know people go pack it. When they will say go share, they will pack it for road. Come on, orphanage home. Yeah, people go donate to orphanage home. Who get orphanage will carry the food, go sell for markets. Leave the children for hunger. So please, those people, let us come together. For those who want to help me as a battle, but me don't need sanitizer. I get sanitizer. I don't need rice. I don't need beans. I don't need oil. I don't need meat. Anything when I see, concussion man, yo, fuego, Lord, the fuego, man. Come and say, how about go so free station? Go carry 15 liters. Go carry 15 liters. I will put double face mask. I'll drive. I'll go carry. Here go your already. I'll okay. I feel they give you an update. My phone, see, power bank. Like this, so power bank. See, power bank. If this one charge finish, I still put up for this one I use. We will try. Who gets sprayed? Who gets sprayed? God. I get joy when I give people something, either food, either money, either anything. So that me they give the person happy. Me madam my generally now. Me madam that your auntie will not give send money, will not give send food. If you hear say your auntie get corona, you know go fit sleep. No matter how wicked and heartless you be, you don't fit sleep. You say that's what we again. What do ya? Salopo, I be on here. And one person they just go the bad things, one person not they die. One person to carry will come give everybody for house. So my people, please let us learn to do the right thing. If you must share sanitizer, share it with food. If you are not ready to share it with food, don't put your sticker. Share it like that. Don't put your sticker. So that APC, PDP, ABGA, CNPP will collect. If you be PDP, don't put your sticker. If you must put your sticker, accompany with food. Money where Jessica take go buy things yesterday, I believe they go reach 50,000. Many people get that 50,000, they don't even give anybody. Many people, their gate man never buy food. They are bulky when they watch their car, they open gate. They never even say, okay, I supposed pay you more than but take this time, go and buy food in your house. Don't be opening this gate, you know, me bulky not go carry and come. This money will not get where they go carry and go. Many billionaires don't die, leave their money for bank. Leave the money for bank manager. Leave properties for lawyers.
The first case, the first death is the man of the billionaire.
Billionaires. As the account officer here say, Oga that I go find nice part of the money, go do transfer, go abroad. So say you do one transaction, go abroad. Who die, don't die. You know if you go ask them for grace, say, sir, did you do any transaction? Lawyer will say, no, you don't tell now, not that close to the papa. You don't sell this property since now. Oh, chief said, lawyer, where you want to drag and go? You must have been do case, and they do case pass you. They will convert some documents. Banks will do shit. So now that you are alive, do something. Make people here say, see what me not the run mouth. I not the run mouth. The things I do, I hardly say it online. If you hear me talk, I just try encourage you to do, not to use and take post. Because who I do for not beg me, I just willingly do one. So I don't need to don't be the broadcaster. So I don't talk fish. Happy weekend, happy Saturday. Everybody there now, so who get it and watch. Share the broadcast. God bless you.